Looking to escape the concrete jungle? Build your own Shangri-La in a 79-acre nature preserve located in the thumb of Michigan. This is an absolutely spectacular property. This land provides 3 lakes with the clearest water. A large forest with freely roaming wildlife. A recreational property with established trails throughout. The gentle rolling land makes it ideal for hiking or ATV. Currently, the land is used as a conservation club, with members maintaining the trails and open areas. The serene setting is a joy to walk and has been maintained for the outdoor enthusiast. Build your own dream home with complete privacy, surrounded by natural beauty. Or better yet, build your ultimate escape from the hectic city life and breathe the fresh, clean air. Enjoy the silence and create a stressless gateway for you and your loved ones. All this can be yours. Your own private gated refuge.